So hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to mix Halloween slime. So once you add your color, you're going to want, in your glue and your color, you're going to want to mix it. So you want to mix this fast. I don't know why my camera's been acting weird, but I have to hurry up. So once I'm done mixing, I'll be back with you guys, okay? Okay, so I'm still mixing because it looks like this blue color. So while I add more, I'll be back with you guys because I don't know what's been wrong with my camera. So yeah, it gives me a little bit of time because something went wrong yesterday too. So yeah, I'll be back with you guys once I'm done mixing it. So once we have that, you want to add your activator. So I'm going to be adding it. So today I'm going to be using Tide. I always use Borax. I want to show you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna add more activator, and then be right back with you guys. Okay, so yeah, it's turning out good. So that's a good thing that you guys see it coming together. So yeah, so I'm sorry about pausing a lot. It's just things only giving me 2.5 minutes. So when I'm mixing it and kneading it, I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is a finished result. It's really stretchy. It actually looks like a dark blue. That's fine. So if you guys want to see more Halloween slimes or videos, like probably next I'm going to do Halloween slime with spiders, witch fingers and stuff like that, make sure to subscribe, and bye guys. Make sure to turn on notifications. Bye.